This is the Mansfield 123-5035 stem assembly for the 300 series faucets that are 12 inch. Now a 12-inch faucet does not necessarily mean the stem itself is going to measure 12 inches. With the 300 series, the stems typically measure 3 7/8 over the wall thickness. So starting with the length of the stem, measure overall tip to tip from the pinched square end here on the left all the way up to the head of this screw in the rubber seat. That's right at about 15 7/8. Then we can also measure just the head of the stem here, which is the piece that would actually thread into the back of the faucet. It's going to have an overall length of right at about 1 inch. As you can see here on the bottom, it's got some pretty big threads here. So when that stem is pressed into the faucet, turn it to the right, thread it in, and then make sure it's nice and secure into the faucet. And now, the package also comes with 2 graphite packings and the packing support washer. Now the difference between these 2 packings, if I could stop throwing it, this smaller, thicker one is your right hand thread packing. So if your packing nut is a right hand thread, you would use this one. And then if it's a left hand thread packing nut, you would use the larger, skinnier packing. Now, we get this asked pretty frequently. Customers will have the stem installed and yet there's still a leak right behind the packing nut. When that happens, it is typically due to this packing. From where it is that graphite material, if that packing nut is not tightened enough, it will not compress it into a little cone shape in order to create that watertight seal. So if you do have the issue where it is leaking right through the center of the packing nut after installing a brand new stem and packing, just loosen that packing nut, tighten it back down. You may have to do that a couple times just to compress that packing, but it should fix the issue. And once again, this is the Mansfield 123-5035 stem assembly for the Mansfield 300 series faucets.